Beer is the oldest alcoholic beverage for humans and the third most consumed beverage in the world after water and tea. It can be said that beer has become an indispensable part of the culture and culinary enjoyment of many countries. With a delicate combination of natural ingredients, how will they mass produce the beer? Follow us through the video below. The process of mass production of bottled beer. When the industrial beer products become a familiar, beer lovers began to want to try new flavors and had wanted to brew their own batch of beer according to their preference, as the demand for craft beer was born. In general, the brewing process begins with the harvesting of barley or wheat, drying and grinding to break the grain structure, as the granules after being crushed will be mixed with hot water. Then it is put into a pot to separate and add the hops. Finally, it is fermented, brewed and injected with CO2 gas into the beer. And as you can see, the best beer you'll ever drink may just be the one that you make yourself. First, the pump system will pump the barley grains down to the milling and grinding system. The seeds, after being crushed, will be mixed and boiled in hot water. The step aims to use the natural enzymes in the barley to break down the starch of the barley into sugars. After the filter system completely separates the husk and the residues of beer, the remaining sugar will be heated again with hot water, and at this time they add the hops to create a strong aroma and a bitter taste characteristic of beer. In addition, the use of hops also helps the beer to increase the gluten strength and to increase the antibacterial properties. Next, lowering the temperature of the sugar solution to a temperature suitable for fermentation and increasing the gas solubility. After that, fermentation is carried out in a closed vessel. A temperature of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. As fermentation takes place slowly and consumes a negligible amount of sugar, fermenter is deposited and saturated with CO2. At the end of the stage, we get a suitable beer. The process of bottling beer in a factory usually includes the following steps. First, the beer is produced and then poured into bottles. Then the cork is closed one by one. Finally, packing and preparing for shipping. As this process is carried out on production lines and uses modern equipment to ensure product quality. However, crafting bottled beer also has disadvantages, as the process of crafting beer is often more time-consuming and labor-intensive than industrial beer. Therefore, in order to produce an increasing number of bottled beer, it is necessary to have the support of many modern factories. As at present, beer production technology has reached the development and automation. As a glass of beer will help you cool down in the summer and warm up on a cold winter night. You can drink beer on any occasion, any season, because beer brings unexpected benefits. Beer has many benefits, but we must control the amount of beer we drink. As health experts give advice to know the calories of beer, as the calories in light beer are about 100 calories. With a high-strength beer, it is about 220 calories. How was today's video? Let us know by commenting down below, and don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel and have more motivation to make more good videos. And for now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.